Is Google Sheets your best friend and worst enemy? Are you creating a new spreadsheet for every client, copying data everywhere, and sharing dozens of different files to just keep everyone in the loop? The good news is that Airtable can solve all of that. But here's the catch. Most newcomers to Airtable set it up exactly like Sheets, which is kind of like buying a Ferrari and driving it in first gear. You're still moving, but you're missing the entire point. Hi, I'm Tom from XRay Tech, the workflow company. Today, I'm going to show you the three-part strategy that transforms chaotic spreadsheets into a single, scalable system that actually saves you time. I'll cover consolidated data storage, setting up a relational database, and seamless sharing that works for everyone. Let's start with the biggest mindset shift when you're diving into Airtable for the first time. In Google Sheets, you probably create lots of new sheets. A new spreadsheet for every client or project, for every object you want to track, or contributor to the process. This makes sense for many reasons, like privacy. You don't want client A seeing client B's data, but making all these different sheets creates a whole nother problem. Every new client means rebuilding the same structure all over again. And if you want to analyze data across several clients, you've got more work to do, copying and pasting the data back into a single sheet. Most teams rely on a master sheet like this for reporting and analysis. Airtable changes this completely. Instead of creating separate databases, you store everything in one base with granular permission controls. Here's how this works across a few different scenarios. Let's say you're running a real estate company and maintaining records for all of your buyers and available properties. In Google Sheets, you'd have to make a separate sheet for each buyer to show them recommended properties. But in Airtable, you can add all of your buyers to one table and all of your properties to another linked table. Then you can share a customized view with each buyer so that they only see the properties that they're supposed to. No more tedious copying and pasting, just easy point and click configuration, all in one place. And this same approach applies to any other use case too. Let's say you're doing task and project management in Airtable, like we do at XRay. Rather than creating a new spreadsheet for each project or each department, you can track everything in one place. We've got one table for all of our projects, one for every task, and one for every client. It's all linked together, and each person can easily view any subset of data that they need. No matter what your use case is, you can get the same benefits. Your efforts are concentrated on the one-time task of setting up your database the right way. Then, no matter how many clients, projects, or team members you have, you can easily add them all to a single, scalable database. Your efforts and your data become centralized, eliminating the work between the work. Doing the basic setup on an Airtable base is pretty easy and straightforward, but if you'd like some help configuring custom interfaces, automations, and more, just reach out to low-code engineers. LCE is X-Ray's service for matching you with vetted low-code experts to get convenient hourly support, and it's the perfect way to kick your digital systems into high gear. Just go to lowcodeengineers.com today to tell us about your project and book your first hour. Now that we've covered the basic setup of an Airtable base, let's look at how you can connect your tables together. This is where Airtable really shines: relational databases. Instead of copying and pasting the same information everywhere, you create dynamic relationships between different pieces of data, or objects. Let's see how this works across different use cases. Let's return to that real estate example from before. Like we mentioned earlier, you'd create a base with tables for buyers, properties, and any other key object you want to track. Buyers would be linked to properties, so each buyer could see all of the real estate they're interested in. With lookups, you can include info like the property address and the value. And if that value ever changes, that new value will automatically be updated in every linked table. You only need to change the value once. No need to copy and paste the new price in dozens of different places. And again, this would all be very similar in a project management database too. You'd have each project linked to a client, just like we do. And every project would be linked to several tasks, which would display key information like deadlines through lookup fields. Then, when your client requests a deadline change, you only need to edit that date once. In every linked task, you'll see a new deadline updated automatically. No more hunting through dozens of spreadsheets to make one simple change, because that change propagates everywhere it needs to go. Now your data is organized and connected, but how do you share it without overwhelming people? Because let's face it, showing someone a raw spreadsheet or an Airtable base is kind of like handing them the keys to the cockpit of a 747. Technically they have access, but good luck figuring out which buttons to press to get off the ground. Interfaces are your answer. Think of them as customizable windows into your database. Each interface shows exactly what specific users need to see, nothing more. And you can arrange the data however you'd like, using Kanban boards, charts, graphs, and even timelines to surface the most relevant insights. With interfaces, you can give each of your stakeholders a simple dashboard to get off the ground, whatever that means for them. An interface gives them only the buttons and data they need to accomplish their goal. Here's how this works across our different scenarios. In a real estate use case, you could create a buyer's portal interface that shows the currently logged in buyer the properties matching their criteria and budget. Each property can be displayed in an elegant gallery view with photos of every home and key stats summarized in a card. That same interface can also feature a calendar with dates for open houses and bid deadlines. Your buyers can see everything they need in one spot. Then you can create a separate interface for your agents where they can see details about all of the buyers they're working with. Everyone gets the info they need with no data leaking out where you don't want it to go. In a project management base, you could build a daily overview interface that displays a summary of this week's tasks associated with the currently logged in employee. You can add a calendar view to show key deadlines and Kanban board to show this week's tasks broken up by status, to do, in progress, and blocked. This way, your team sees exactly what they need to focus on without getting distracted by every other project in the system. The beauty is in the control and customization. You store everything once and create targeted views for different audiences. Each interface can use different view types: gallery, calendar, Kanban, charts, forms, arranged exactly how each user group needs to see the information. No more duplicate databases, no more version control nightmares, and no more overwhelming people with irrelevant data that makes their eyes glaze over. So there's your strategy. Consolidate your data, build smart relationships, and share strategically with interfaces. This transforms Airtable from just another spreadsheet app into a powerful database that actually scales with your business. Stop recreating the same Google Sheets chaos in a shiny new tool. Use Airtable the way it's designed and finally get your data working for you instead of against you. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every single week. You can also find me and my company XRay by searching for XRay Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go, so until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.